guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Otoshebo Mama page. You can also see me on Otoshebo Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Quickly, Mama Joy, now you are comfort because as they hot, make her the give one to you because you feel say unto what commandship, unto what rule, who I will get that rule to you. Commander as what? Of Facebook, that you were commanding that whether you blind or you deaf. I'm not blind, I'm not deaf. I saw everything how it take play. And it's like you've forgotten our recent history. You know, say we've come this lane before, me and you. We don't come this lane before. We don't pass through this lane. When you did for dark, those days. When you were in the dark, me and you used to get and hot. We did get and hot, water. Now you came out from the dark. I thought you've turned a new leaf. I thought you've turned a new leaf. That was why I gave you the benefit of doubt. I gave you the benefit of doubt to prove yourself, but eventually you're not proving, you prove yourself wrong. Totally wrong. I just have 15 minutes for this broadcast. Code don't really code deal with me because I did for outside before they do some work for the code. So let me see, let me quickly share this thing. May I share? So I'm gonna help me share it to her. Because I come to tell you truth. You can see my history on this Facebook. I've never sold out. I've never betrayed. It is based on this artistic where I get. That's the feed the broadcast. My broadcast are all about truth. No need to sell out. You have to say it loud as it is so that people will know you for who you are. What if my beef with you be say, two people just get quarrel. You came out, you condemned the husband initially, which the husband was wrong. What that guy did was very wrong, which you condemn. All of a sudden, may I share this thing? All of a sudden, you just begin to share the guy video because you say he and Queen Vierio get small problem. That is not done. There is no consistency in that. What I expected from you was to let peace prevail. Before we know, under 1 month or 2 months friendship, according to Vierio, you don't get tape you don't record tape. And that's, it's not enough. If you say you even can't play the tape on normal Facebook, say, no, just give me say, goes bass. The thing will die there. But you say, you want to carry and go pay show. Me, they tell you, say, no to pay show. No to recording of people without their consent. No. No to it. Fair play demands that if you and person get beef, if you want hit them. It's allowed. Not to come and fool our people at this time. Pay show. That evil you know they condemn, say one person they do before. All of you no consistency. How do we get justice on this Facebook? How can we be unified to face common wrong? Because all of you they dance go here, dance go there. With that, the enemies will be laughing. They will say, look at them. They are not even stable enough, they will fight. They don't feel fight. With one voice. Then you can't come out, they tell me, say, they give you warning. You know why I hear your name for my matter. You go hear them over and over. I promise you that. You're going to hear it. You're going to hear it. You're going to hear it. Let me share. You go hear them because as what? As my papa, be as my mama. When we be saying people, be your content. Which proper content you don't put for this cyberspace since you come up for darkness? Tell me. Not be people name you think they sing from morning from January to December. Since you come out from the darkness last year, you've been singing with people's name. So on top what yastic you can say make I know these guys what they make noise they do.
No, lui l'ha messo nella foto, ma non ne ha bidoni. L'ho fatto apposta. Ah sì? Dove voleva portarti, bello?
My people wanna crave my dodgers, you know it's,
Al bar?
that my colleagues they make noise. But I used to make quickly cheaper. Come. You are nobody, you're inconsequential, you don't get that right to talk, say, make nobody mention your name. I go mention your name after I close for work. If I hear you call my name, if need be, I will call you. Not be the day where you're hungry woman, the hungry man. I can decide not to answer you today. I can decide to answer you next tomorrow. When it pleases me, I will come out to answer you. I will come out and answer you. Who they fear you? You just come out from darkness, what they claim Odunga. For where? Who you the Lord over for this Facebook? Who are you? You to say you do your cock, they say if you hear him, that bite to shout. Shout for like here. Me, I will come shout for your head double too. And if you're not going to shout, I will just beat you with points, beat you. Why you not channel this energy, which gonna say pay show, take fight the ease in our society, fight Obaseki. 4+1 na break up. Go see what they do now. All of them go hide for corner. No fit talk. No, they find us we fight against that time. No come fight for now. Make una the demon wanna break in the shade of Obaseki. Make una send a back runner for bring and come.
No, devo controllare il busto del 2022 se che ci segna tutto. Da gennaio devo controllare, giusto? Da gennaio a dicembre.
Sergio, I'm broadcasting, please. I'm broadcasting. I'm on the live broadcast.
What?
I'm on broadcast.
Ah, ok.
Take this guy to.
Ah, non devi fare un giorno sì.
Scusa. Nothing. Per favore. So, my people, unto what? I not come here, come give you. If you come, I go give it to you. What? What you do? Bumper to bumper. You say I be hard working man. I dey work now. I don't feel give you one, but when I look say not too good, that's make I call do one. I get 30 minutes break. I will use 15 minutes to eat. I will use 15 minutes to talk to you. That's when music nice, you go play it twice. Now make me come play to you because the first one I do, it not please me. So I don't push my colleagues. May they excuse me. Cannot be small picking for work. You know if they disturb my broadcast. I did for where they eat, but I say me they give me chance. Now me fit do and I me the runner. Now me the chester. Who you be? You get work. You get work. You want to command Omofuma, a whole me. You want to command me as your boy or as your what? If Bishop even spoke to if you ever you make it let go. But you don't let go because you get tape you want to play out. You go over you, Nana. You go over you. You go be like film for your eyes. Play that tape. Even if people go able to come the show. Who tell you say you go come to pay show gone wrong? It's gonna go wrong. So that's Z. When they come they advertise pay show. You go block who you go feel block that they will go see now. Whether you smart pass. At the day I cannot. We go know. Whether you be IT guru, we go know. Even the IT guru. Three dada, you get a hot. Because of you, maybe now your children they arrange that for you. We go knock her come out. You go come out. It's gonna go out. As because they break on the shot, they command who as your boy for this cyberspace. You know, as a power for you. I never can give it to you. But if one more would play dirty, you never fit tear pitolet. You never fit tear pitolet make it enter house. Pitolet where they give you those bars, upon as that one own sakarish. That one still fit they give you those bars. You know if you come commander, make that one enter house. Me, a whole me, right? Call the command. Who do you that mistake when you do that on Saturday? Who say you say call shots when you shout at Omofuma go wrong? You say tell the person say he advise you wrongly. The person ill advise you. That person wrongly advise you. You have to shout. Commander, Queen Elizabeth, Mark Zuckerberg wife, when you command, and Omofuma go wrong. Oh, shame and sorrow for your head. Shame and sorrow. I go knock you, those bastards. I go knock you. Because why I just respect myself, I don't say I get level past you. I get level past you 1 billion times. I get level past you 1 billion times. both for work, both for academic qualification, both for everything for life. I not come hustle with a pussy for Europe. I come this country, come work. For 16 years at the wrong booster. Every month, not 1 month, stop. I paid my dues. I'm not your mate. I not be your mate. Even though you owed for nonsense, I don't care whether you owed for foolishness. I not be your mate. Not come. You can command your children for that your parlor. Come cyberspace. As a wide reach. If you hear your name, you go hear and double. Better people never ever talk. Better people never talk. Say, make them not hear their name for you, for people mad. You will say that people matter, not be your national anthem. You think say everybody matter, they put mad. I don't often go into every matter. And they go to issues where I say they're delicate, that our opinion is needed. Those are kind of issues I go into. I saw Dominion Talk Show and IK. You know if you handle the show. Even though persevere every year, one make mistake for the beginning. But you confidently make the greatest mistake. Who first wrong before come right? Who be one wrong before come right? Now make me say, I go give you. Make you position yourself. Don't record anybody. Call they tell us say pay show. You want to record people. So now you want to say, when they come by, 11 error. 11 error. Ah, the heater here too hot. Here they won. Big boys so work. Something make I not just give you first. Look at that preview in Dodgers. If you come talk anyhow, my side go they give you. They knock that's I could knock sense enter. Sense must enter by fire by thunder. How good they punish Satan? How good they buy Satan? How good they kill idiot? No, Facebook lost too much. Facebook wahala too much these days. How good they buy this thing? Commander. Una lack consistency. That be my beef. Make una for once get direction. Make people come out eyes to our body. Say we don't face common ills where they disturb the nation. Let's come out all of us. Channel this energy. What did they insult ourselves every day? You see me say I talked to Rita the other day. Briefly, just to correct the ills. When Lolo, my due apology to the Organic Nation and the Ricketerians. I wanted to come and address that issue on Saturday night. But when I say Lolo don't say she don't forget. So who am I to cry more than a bereaved? I have to let go. You don't do as it pleases and you don't let go. So that one don't finish on my chapter. Who get if I say not fight again? So I will not come there to come they blow the trumpet. Make everybody put their weapons down. But that one I want. I don't hate anybody. I just want make peace prevail. But if you come break, say you be a dunga, you are nobody. Who are you? One stark illiterate from nowhere. You I go employ you, they pay you. So now by to stay Europe for 55 years. You know people are the command for work. You know people are under me. What shame and disgrace, sorrow. I did work. Then my work. See my jacket. Then if I go factory now, I go as I go do things. Cold too much. You just and everybody, every black man go fit tell colleagues send me the liver. You want to do broadcast, all of it will be. You know, the level, the past level. Be careful. Be careful. See my eyes, they red so. They red for you. Be very careful. I've paid my dues in this cyberspace. I know they take bribe. They know if you buy my conscience, I stand for truth. Who they give you cover, say, go do pay show. The person let they lead you. He go over you. No. When he over you, you're not going to be Soros. 15 minutes don't pass so fast. So, a quick one. There's nothing where persevere every year, go fit talk or back, we no go fit talk for front. I know him. So anything we talk for front, for when my day where you record that, so you want to bring to public domain. Now I'm waiting she go fit talk for front. The same thing like me. What I fit tell you for back, I will fit tell you for front. Anybody will call me, say make a record me. And I know they even call people. The people they call me, they confide in me. I don't record people. If I want to give people record for this social media, I don't do patience since the hunger just is showing you that you want to do that pay show. Everybody they do one. This one collect 6K. The other one collect money. I know now. Now so now be those days for road work. So now where this one go, all of them go they jealous. If you never do one, you know the rest. You know the rest. Now so now be. We are saying no to unnecessary recording of people without their consent, and no to greed upon you people. And forget stupid pay shows of recording people without their consent. That's where I stand. Don't care who they take head, they hit transformer. Who want go lick transformer, hug transformer, may go hugger. May go hug transformer, come talk. They give me warning. If you hear your name, if you go hear a double, you know me. If I just crazy now, if I just close, I hear they sing, they go for road. Because I know myself, I get the respect, say, I be family man, I get sisters, I get brothers. They will sometimes they will call me, my brother, your level be not pass this, so I will say, sometimes you got to talk to these people. Because una deserve the kind of government una get. I used to the clamor for better governance, but I see una self never good. That's why they channel my energy to give una, make una change. Then good governance will come. If you don't feel change, you can never get it right. So 15 minutes over. I wish you a very wonderful day. I agree to now. I want to go take small team and start work later. I will close later in the day. So if need be, I'll come out again.